Hi, my name is Joanna. I'm a slow fashion designer, embroiderer, illustrator and style mentor. This is the second part of the tutorial on how to turn an ordinary jacket into an amazing one. Last week we started by shortening the sleeves, and today you will learn how to add more personal charm embroidering on the lapels of jacket. My mentor Julia Cameron, author of the very inspirational book The Artist Way, wrote, "When we open ourselves to our creativity, we open ourselves to the Creator's creativity within us and our lives." I believe that each of us can experience this transforming power of creativity, doing what we can with what we have. I have noticed many positive changes in various areas of my life as I opened myself to the free flow of creativity. I started making my dreams come true. I have more courage to share my view of the world. More and more often I notice that the world is full of possibilities. I hope you too will start to experience the little miracles in your life that come from creativity. Modern embroidery is a great and inexpensive creative tool that stimulates the imagination and supports you in a bold way to express yourself. Today, I invite you on another short artistic journey. Let's start creating. The list of necessary materials and tools is in the description. I start by embroidering the middle of the flower. I make a few stitches while maintaining the irregular shape of the circle. I repeat the same stitch with more colors. As you can see, this project is not about perfect shapes, but about the spontaneity of creation. Nature is perfectly imperfect, and this is the most beautiful inspiration. Choose your favorite colors, they will make the jacket more consistent with your character. If you want to learn more about choosing a color for embroidery, check out the online course available on my channel. The next element that adds charm is a bit of glitter, which we will add by embroidering with gold thread. You can use another metallic color that suits your personality more. I create a few loosely skirted stitches to give a glowing effect. Beads come in different sizes, colors and luster. Thanks to their diversity, we add a bit of sparkle, charm and beauty to the jacket. I reuse beads from old jewelry or clothes according to the zero waste principle. If you don't have any at hand, it's best to buy glass beads instead of plastic ones. They are more durable and safe for the environment. I sew beads on the border with the petals of the flower and fill the space to the edge of the lapel. I like how my projects give a sense of coherent composition. That is why I will embroider leaves and twigs with beads on the lapel, which are a motif that connects the entire jacket into a coherent whole. In this way, I combine free embroidery with a design approach. If you feel that floral motifs are not something that expresses you, take advantage of the lesson on collecting embroidery inspiration, which is part of the course available on my channel. I'm sure that you will find practical information which will help you create a project that is consistent with you. our today's creative work is done. I hope you will have a lot of fun and joy in turning something ordinary into something unique. Stay creative and have fun! If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It will motivate me to create more videos for you. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and creative ideas. If you are looking for more inspiration and ideas to tune your clothes to your personality, check out the other videos on the channel. Or maybe you are looking for a specific solution that I haven't talked about yet. Write in a comment, I will be happy to help.